Good morning.
Good morning, Shahina. How are you?
I'm good.
Are you really good?
Yeah.
Very good. So, next week, your school is opening, right?
No, I don't know, but I don't want it to.
You don't know? They didn't tell you anything, or?
I don't think so. They didn't even tell us what teachers are like homeroom teachers, so we don't know yet.
Oh, I see. So
Yeah.
in the USA, then every part is different. And some students, I have a student he lives in different state where? Illinois. She told me that she's going to school next Monday. I
Yeah,
see.
I don't know where we're going.
Yeah, maybe in your state is different. Also in Cambodia, my kids, they will go to school on Monday. Let's see how it works. For 6 months, they stay at home. So Shahina, how was your homework? First, can you just show me what you have done so far?
Oh yeah. So I did the homework. I forgot to send the pictures, but so I took the pictures because I didn't want to risk because if I saved it once and it deleted, I didn't want to risk that. So I took a picture of every single page, but some didn't save. But
Why Shahina? Last time, actually, I
I'm
showed you
not
how to
sure.
save, but still, why do
Yeah,
you have a problem in saving?
I'm not sure because I did exactly what you said. I saved it and then I also saved it on that file or the folder. But it
Okay.
didn't. It just keeps deleting somehow.
So last time, Shahina, we finished E and F, right? Did we finish?
E,
Did you finish EF?
yeah.
Let me just open that E
I
and
mean,
F.
it
That's
was. That's strange. Oh yeah,
Shahina,
we
chapter
stopped.
2. E and F. What was it? E and F.
I think it was.
Okay, let me just
Oh
zoom
yeah, we
in.
did that.
We actually finish everything here.
Yeah, we
We finished
finished
these
everything.
things. Okay. And the cost, car travels. Okay, done. How many? Okay, done. Right, all right, it's also done. 5 cents. Okay, done. A shopkeeper buys an armchair for $8. All right, done. Equal to sum of the age of the two daughters. Okay, done. All right. So this is finished. Good. So now today, Shahina, we will focus on G and H.
Okay.
How many questions did you solve from exercise 2G first, let's say? Shahina, can you open your work, this 2G and H? Let me just allow you to share your
Okay.
screen. Okay. Because this G and H, Shahina, that's really, really important exercise in this chapter, and we can say that that's the most important exercise because these are all word
Um,
problems.
how do I?
Oh, you how
That's
many?
not.
Just open only one. Why
Is this
two?
GH?
Close one of
Yeah.
them. Why there are two files?
This
Can
is
you
B.
close one of the GH? EF, okay,
Uh,
close it. We don't need it anymore. Close it.
this one.
Okay, how about GH, two files? Can you click on the second one? Okay. Close
Oh
one of
yeah.
them. We just need only one. Close it.
Does it have the work? Oh yeah, it does. Okay, so it saved some of the work that I did, but then the rest is just deleted.
Okay, very good. Even if you have done this, I really want to see how you're solving this question, Shahina.
Okay.
Okay, because as I told you, after this chapter, we are going to actually face a lot of problems like this. If you don't understand, every time you will have a problem. I mean, you'll be in trouble. That's why you understand this. You don't understand, we will practice it again. You don't understand, we'll practice it again. And I hope actually now you made a lot of improvements. And I'm hoping that after I show you a few examples, you will understand this, okay? But you have to, for example, we saw the question. You think that you didn't understand much. Okay, close it, try to solve this again. If you cannot solve it, look at the solution and try to solve this again. I mean, here at least we will do this together. Okay, Shahina.
Okay.
So let's continue then. We are doing this thing. Where is this folder? Kids, desktop, math class, chapter 2. Okay, very good. It's in that folder. Can you zoom in a little bit?
That?
A bit more. Okay, good. So let me just keep it here. This video. All right, let's move and let me just see. Shine a little bit zoom out. It's too big, I think now. Okay, okay, that's good. That's good. Not red. Choose that dark red. That's much better. Yes, that one.
Okay.
Okay. When a certain number is increased by 7, the result is 18, right? So Shahina is good, but when you're writing, if you just write in a given order, this will be much better. Here it says that
It's like
a certain number, right? So that certain number is increased by 7. That is x plus 7 equals 18. Very good.
okay.
Let's move to the next question.
When a number is decreased by 2 and the result is multiplied by 3, the final result is 24.
Okay. So there's a mistake here, Shahina. Can you find your mistake here? What is the mistake here? Something is missing here.
The parentheses?
That's right. That is our result, right? Now we have x minus 2. This is the result. And the result is multiplied by 3. That's why you need to put this in parentheses. And after you understand this, immediately, Shahina, as you know that we write this number in front of the expression, right? So rewrite this if possible. Okay, you just, how you translate this now, you should write it like this. 3 times x minus 2 is equal to 24. Here we have unknown number. It is decreased by 2, and the result is multiplied by 3.
Oh.
Always we need to write this number in front, right? That's the coefficient, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good.
When 5 is subtracted from a certain number and the result is multiplied by 7, the final result is 63.
Yeah, the same mistake, China, the same mistake. Because if you solve this question, the answer will not be 14, right? Yeah, if you solve this equation, then the answer is, it is 9, it is 14. Okay, save it. Good.
Okay. When a certain number is subtracted from 24, the result divided by 5, and the result divided by 5, the final result is 4.
Okay, that's good. Let's continue. E.
The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 63. Yeah, I wasn't sure about this. I don't know if this is right.
The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 63. That's correct. So if the first number is n, next one is n plus 1, next one is n plus 2. So it says that the sum, right, equals 63. Now we have to solve this.
Oh, yeah, this one.
Okay, can you solve that question, Shahina?
Yeah. One number is bigger than the other number by 3, and the sum of two numbers is 4.
So can you move up? E. First, let's also solve E.
Okay.
Yes. Solve it.
So F 3 F plus Y plus 2.
No, why don't you just add the Shahina? You don't have to write it again. 1 plus 2 is 3, just 3. Now you should do some steps mentally. You don't have to write every step now.
2 equals
3, Shahina. 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? It is 3, right?
Yeah, it is. I thought it was 1 plus 4. 3, okay. Plus 3 equals 63. And we do.
What is the next step?
3 equals 63. equals to 63 n equals to 60, and then draw line, n equals to 60 over 3, which equals to 20. So dot dot dot, n equals to 20.
Actually here, Shahina, okay, also you can like this, but the sum of three consecutive numbers. Okay, you better write, okay, that's also fine. Also here we can write like this. So what are those three consecutive numbers? Those are these numbers.
Oh.
Because if n equals 20, next number is 21, next number is 22. So we are talking about these three numbers. Of course, here they didn't ask a question. And also both cases, you need to, depending on the question, you can leave your final answer. Okay, it's very good. Let's continue. Next question.
Okay, let's see if that's all remember it. Okay. One number is bigger than the other number by 3, and the sum of the two numbers is 43. What number is bigger than the other number by 3? Okay. So that's x plus 3 plus x equals and x equals 2x. Wait.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Why? What happened?
Uh,
X plus X is 2X, right?
oh yeah, 2x and equals to 43 minus 3. So it's 2x equals to 40. And then we do x equals to 40 over 2. Over 2 equals 20. X equals 20.
Very good. Okay, let's move to the next question. Shani, can you change your pen color?
Color.
Red is a bit too bright. You can use a dark brown or something.
Green.
Yeah, also green is also fine.
Yeah.
Good.
6 times a certain number is 60 more than twice. Oh, I did that. Okay. So that is 6 times x. Wait. I get the idea, but I forgot the steps. I think it's
Yeah, here, that's right. Here is means equal, right? A certain number. Actually, in this kind of questions, maybe later, Shahina, also you need to practice like this. First, you are introducing a variable, right, to denote this unknown. So this certain number. So you need to write here, let x be a certain number.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Then actually, using this x, I can form our equation. 6 times of a certain number. That means 6 times x, right, is, that means equals 16 more than twice the number. What is this twice the number? 2 times x. So which one is greater? The 6x is greater, right? So I need to add this twice that number, and we need to add this 16 to this number, so they will be equal to each other.
Oh, I see. Okay. So x equals to 2.
Can you rewrite from the top, Shahina?
Okay.
Right, let x be, or let x represent, which one is easier for you? Let x be a certain number. Okay, now using this x, we will form our equation. So that's 6 times x, right? it says is, that is 16 more than twice the number. That is 2 times x plus 16. More means plus, right?
Yep, 2 times x plus 16. Okay. And then we do that's 6x minus 2x equals to 16. 6 equals 2 plus 4x equals to 16. Equals to that. X equals to 16 over 4, which equals to 4. Dot, dot, dot. X equals to 4.
Very good. Shahina, can you close this file and open? Let's see if all your work is there. Close it. Okay, can you open it? Where is it?
Let's see. That's GH, right?
It's in, yeah, chapter 2, right? What is the chapter 2 folder? Yeah, scroll down. Is everything there?
The green one's gone. Yeah, the two of these are gone. But can you see it?
Why is it gone?
I have no clue. That's what happens. Like sometimes when I close
No,
the
no,
window,
no. I think you open.
let me try
You
to see
close
if
it. Can you screen your share with me? Let me see. Where did you open this file? Why?
it's free.
Okay. Can you
Okay.
show me the folder?
Yeah, it was in chapter 2.
Okay. The previous one, GH. Can you
Yeah.
open the GH? Yes.
Okay.
Open this.
Oh wait. Yeah. Oh, this one has the word. Okay, that one has the word.
Open it.
Oh, you can't see. Okay. Share that again. Yeah, this is the one we did. This one has the word.
Yeah. Can you move down, down? Everything's there. As you see here, maybe you just confuse files, Shahina.
No,
You
because
see
it's
that
so.
the GH done, it is different file. That's why you need to delete it. We don't need this. Just in one file. All your notes must be here.
Yeah. So I did the GH dot. I renamed it just in case like it X's out so I know like what file it is. So I renamed it for GH dot, but then when I reopened it, the work was gone unless like some of them was there. But I don't
Yeah,
know.
actually, basically that is not possible because once you saved, it must be in the computer.
Exactly. That's what I
If doesn't
thought.
appear, that means something is wrong. Maybe you didn't save it properly, or you forgot to save it, or you save it in some different folder.
I don't know. Because like there's this file that says like recent saved files, and if you go there you'll see all the files that you recently saved. But it shows the file that I saved, but like some of the works are like disappear. Like I don't know.
Okay, good.
Sometimes that
Shahina, let's
happens.
continue that. Let's continue. Zoom in a little bit. One more.
Uh,
Okay, good. That's good.
okay. The length of a rectangle is 5 meters more than its width, and the perimeter of the rectangle is 32 meters. Oh yeah, I needed help with a bit of this too.
So this kind of question, Shahina, if it is like geometric question, something, if possible, always draw a picture. So what is it about? It's about a rectangle, right? Draw a small, nice rectangle on the right-hand side.
Oh,
Yeah, very nice
so
rectangle.
so let's say the width is
Yeah, why
x,
don't you
right?
start from here, Shahina? You start like this, right? From here.
Oh, okay.
Then it looks much better, right?
Alright.
Okay, good.
So
It looks much better. Now, The length of a rectangle is 5 meters more than its width. Do we know its width? We don't know.
No.
Shahina, can you write on the left-hand side? Let x be the width of this rectangle.
Let x. Oh, let. Let x be
The
the.
width.
The
Okay, stop.
rectangle.
That's enough. That's enough. Just let x be the width. Okay, now you label this on the rectangle, right? Okay, that's x. And now what is the length?
X. X plus 5.
Yeah, you can write at the bottom. We have more space at the bottom, right? Okay, x plus 5. Very good.
Okay.
It said the length of the rectangle is 5 meters more than its width.
The
And the perimeter of the
32.
rectangle is 32. Now, what is the perimeter? Can you write on the left-hand side, Shahina? Capital P equals
Capital P equals
2, right?
30.
No. 2 times. Why 32? Just write like this. First, when you're writing this, always write the formula. Then you can substitute the values. You remember this, right? Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times length plus width. Because length plus length, width plus width, right?
Okay.
So first write it.
Length is x plus 5.
No, Shahina, first, can you just write L plus W? Then you substitute the given values, everything in terms of x.
W. Okay.
Equals, right? Equals.
Equals 32.
Okay. Now rewrite this equation. Right. Just below this, 2 times. What is L? L is x plus 5, right?
X plus 5, yeah.
Okay.
X plus 5
Plus x.
plus x. Oh, I think it. Oh, that's 5. Okay, so that's
Equals.
gonna be
Equals 32. Okay.
So that's
And
2x.
always just follow this step. Number one is, what does actually your variable represent in the question? Write it. Let x be the width. Let x be the perimeter. Let x be the area, whatever it is, depending on the context, right? After that, write the formula. That shows your method, what method you are using there. Then substitute the given information. After that, you have to solve this. Okay? At the time, actually, you will never make a mistake.
Okay, so that's 4x, right? 4x.
Okay, Shahina, in this kind of questions, as you know, before you expand this, why don't you simplify inside this parenthesis? Simplify this, then remove the brackets. If you simplify this, what we have here, 2 times 2x plus 5, right?
Huh?
Can you delete this one? Can you delete this thing?
Which one? This? Oops.
Yeah.
This one?
Delete it. Otherwise, you know, the number of operations will increase. So first simplify inside the parentheses. What do we have inside? That is right, 2 times.
2 times.
Okay, open parentheses.
X plus 5.
Yeah. Okay, no, open it like this. First, we are simplifying this one, right? So you're writing 2 times. Immediately simplify inside these brackets. X plus x, that is 2x plus 5 equals 32. Now you can simplify this. Okay, now you can remove the brackets. 2 times 2, it is 4x plus 10 equals 32. Why is it so, Shahina? Because here, in your way, first if you multiply this, 2 times x, 2x plus 10 plus 2x. So when you multiply after that, add this, we will have bigger numbers here. And you should just add these bigger numbers. Instead, simplify and multiply by 2. That is much easier.
Okay. What's plus 2? That's 10 equals 30.
Hannah, don't count it like this. Count it from the right hand side. Draw a line. We have a lot of space. Otherwise, it looks messy.
So that's 4x
Draw a line,
plus
draw a line, don't know like this. Okay, very good.
equals 32, and that's 4x equals 32 minus 10, which equals to 22. X equals to 22 over 4. 4 gives it 2. That's going to be 5. And, oh, wait, we have another one. 2 times 11 over 2 times 2. 2 cancels each other. 11 over 2. That's equal to 5 and 1/2.
Okay.
So X
Since it's
equals.
a Shahina, in this kind of questions, you know, also actually it's a length, right? So you better leave it as a decimal form. That looks much better
Oh, okay. So
because
that's
it's a length, right?
5.5.
If it's a decimal, when it's 5.5, if you just have 5.5, that gives better picture about the length.
Okay, so
So just leave
that's
it like
55.
5.5. If you're talking about the length, always leave your answer unless it is stated differently in the question. 5.5 centimeters
That's
right here.
so this is
Anyway, just that's the value of
5.5.
x. Okay, very good. Very good.
5,
No, no, you don't
5.5.
have to substitute. You don't have to substitute. Just leave it like this. Okay, otherwise that is actually our diagram to solve this question. Don't
Okay.
change it. Yeah. Okay, good.
Okay. The length of a rectangle is twice its width, and the perimeter is 5/4, 54 meters. The length of a rectangle is twice its width, and the perimeter is 54 meters. Okay. So rectangle.
So it said the length of a rectangle is twice its width, right? So let's,
X represent width.
okay, represents,
Oh, represent.
represents. Okay, TS.
Oh, you can't see that. Okay.
Okay, very good.
And this,
Okay, now,
so that's the width. Then so it's x times 2. So it's 2x.
no, it's just, it says twice its width, right? Just write 2x.
Okay.
Twice its width is 2x.
2.
X.
Okay.
Good.
Uh,
Now, what is it? What else is given? Perimeter, right? So,
P equals 54 meters. So what we do is x times 2x divided by 54. That
can you
54
just move a little bit up? How did you write the perimeter? You remember? Just in the previous question.
uh,
You see that?
oh
2
oh I
times
see.
length plus width, right? Perimeter means the length of the boundary.
That's what I made a mistake of. Okay. 2 times length times width
Plus, plus.
plus width. Okay.
Equals, now you can write equals
Equals
54.
54. So that's
Now
2
we can substitute, right? It is
times
okay.
2x plus x equals to 54. It's 2, no, 2 times 3x, that equals to 6x. So 6x equals 54. Draw a line. X equals to 54 over 6 equals to 9. Equals to 9. So dot 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 x equals to 9.
Very good. Excellent. Wonderful. Let's continue. Next question.
Peter has 5 times as much money as David. If Peter gives $28 to David, both of them will have equal amount of money. How much money did Peter have at the beginning? Okay, so Peter has 5 times as much as money as David. Okay, so
So
uh,
what should we write in the first?
one
Let's. Very good.
David X, right? So Peter had 5x. If Peter gives 20, so then 5x minus 28. I get it. Okay. Wait, I'm so confused.
Yeah, in this kind of question, Shahin, if you draw like a table or just tabulate your data like this, for example, we're talking about two people, right? Peter and David. Okay, right here, Peter and David. The first one, right? The Peter has 5 times as much money as David. So if David has X dollars, then Peter has how much? 5X dollars. If Peter gives $28 to David, so it means that if he gives away $28, how much left here? 5X
5x,
minus 28, right? And how about David? Now he has X plus
28.
28 because he received this much from this. Okay, both of them will have equal amounts of money. Now I can form the equation because it says that now these amounts of money are equal to each other. So 5x minus 28 is equal to x plus 28. When you are forming the equation, you don't have to write the units since actually they are the same. After all, they cancel out each other. Then after that, you can solve this, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, do it again.
So P and D, that Peter has X dollars. He has 5x, 5, 5, 5, right? He has 5x minus 28. And he has x plus 28. Okay, now so wait, can we like put an equal sign on
So
it?
what is
Like
the question? Can you read the next part of the question after that?
um,
Peter has 5 times as much money as
oh,
David.
if
That's the first line. If Peter gives $28 to David, that's the second line. And the third one says both of them
both
will
of
have
them
equal amounts
equal
of
amount.
money. So what
So
does it mean? That means that how much Peter have now? It is 5x minus 28, right? And how about
it's
David?
equal
X plus
to
28. So
x.
this sum of money, x sums of money, they are equal to each other. Okay,
So
that is it. You know, here, number one, introducing the variable Shahina. Second one is translating the problem, actually writing the given information here. And after that, forming your equation. That is steps are really, really important steps. And the rest is just solving We just follow the fixed rules, right? And we can solve it. Okay, that's good.
So
Continue.
this is so for 5x we add x, right? Hold on. 5x subtraction is x equals to 28 plus 28. Okay. Put down. It's 4x equals to 2 plus 28. 8 plus 8 is 16. So that's 56. So let's just do that. X equals to 56 over 4 equals to 2 times 6. Okay, let's see. 6 divided by 2.
5 is divided by 4, it is 1, right? And 1 times 4 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. So now we have 16. 16 is divided by 4, it is 4. Shahina, you can divide like that. Here we have 56, immediately 4, which actually big number, but easy to divide by 4. I can just write it as 14 plus 16 over 4.
Oh.
40 is divided by 4, it is 10. 16 is divided by 4, it is 4. So that's equal to 14.
Oh, so it's like
Yeah, this is how you do it actually mentally.
40
Okay?
plus 16, which over 4. That equals to 10 plus 4, which equals to 14. I see, okay. So x equals to
Can you just write that
wait, it's
dot,
not
dot, dot,
dot
closer
dot.
to the line, Shahina? Closer to the line. And what is the question? It says that how much money did David have
Yeah,
at
it's
the
not
beginning,
dot.
right?
Yeah. So it's just
All
x
right.
equals to 14.
Yeah, dot, dot, dot.
Dot,
Yeah,
dot,
yeah.
dot.
Can you just put it closer to the line because we need more space to write the
Yeah.
answer. Okay, can you write it here, Shahina? This dot,
Yeah,
dot, dot here.
oh, okay.
All right, right. What is the question, Shahina? No, 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 don't write,
Oh
Shahina.
no, it's not that.
You already wrote the value of x. Now we need to write the result. Move back,
So
move
he
up.
had. So
What
he
is the
had.
question? How much money did Peter have at the beginning, right? Can you move up? Who is Peter?
This person.
At the beginning, how much Peter have? 5x, right?
5x. So
So 5x is 70. So
um,
that's the question. We need to find the amount of money that Peter had at the beginning. So you need to write, now Peter had
Peter had
$70
$70
at the beginning.
at the beginning.
Okay, Shahana, actually always after you solve the problem, you get the value of 14. Now get back to the question and read one more time. What was the question? Then write your conclusion, okay?
How much money did Peter have at the beginning?
Sorry?
Wait, so to read it. So Peter has 5 times as much as was due. Peter gets to read. Yeah. So,
Okay.
okay.
Shahana, can you move up? Is it 2G? Are we solving 2G now?
Um, yeah.
Can you move up? Let me see. Move up, up, up.
Oh yeah, it is. So that's 2GH.
Okay, okay. All right. We are doing 2G. Oh, that's question one. Question two. Okay. So actually, we have a lot of this. Actually, Shahina, if you can solve this question without any problem, That means that's, you know, it will be a great improvement for you, because after all this chapter 4, 5, 6, 7, every time we will actually face this kind of problems. So you have to read, understand, introduce a suitable variable to denote your unknown, form your equation, then we have to solve this. Now you're doing pretty well. Very good. Okay. Shahina, have some rest. Okay, then we'll continue. I think you're a bit tired. So how many minutes of break do you want to have? 10 or 15?
I don't know.
Okay, let's continue after 12 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, have break. Don't forget to save it, Shahina.
Oh yeah. Okay.